Okay, hi there, Geminis. Welcome to your zodiac reading. This is going to be for the month of May. Okay, alright, Two of Cups. Anyways, I will not take that, but that's a beautiful energy. Alright, so let's see. So basically, I'll be looking at your current situation and then I'll see what can you expect in the next 15 days, May 15 to the 31st. So first we'll look at the current situation, then we'll look at the outcome, what can you expect, and we'll see the message from the oracle cards for you as well. Okay? So let's begin. Let's see what is currently going on with you, Gemini. Two of Swords. I don't read reversals. The Tower. Okay, what's up, Gemini? The Hanged Man. What is happening with you guys? Something has shaken your world for sure, but you're not taking any action about it. Let me see, what is this? Nine of Cups. One more. Nine of Swords. Something that gives you happiness, but at the same time scares you. I don't know what this is. One more, just to see what this is. What is this? Wheel of Fortune. A change. Okay. Pretty weird. Three of Cups. Five of Swords. Okay, maybe this is to do with a relationship you thought is going to be casual, but it is turning out to be very serious for you. Or you didn't want it to become serious, but it is becoming serious for you. You don't want to take any decision right now. You are literally blown away by a lot of thoughts that are there in your mind. I also pick up that you feel a lot of emotions for this particular thing, and it is very attractive for you, no doubt about that. You feel the energy, you feel the closeness here, but it is a little stressful also. I can see with the Nine of Swords. So and it's equal. Like, the more it gives you a lot of happiness, but at the same time it gives you a lot of stress. So it's like equal. All right, so it can be troublesome. That's the current energy that I'm picking up for you guys. So if this resonated, then let's look at the next 15 days for you. What can you expect in the next May 15th to the 31st? Death. Okay. Seven of Wands. This is a change coming about in you. Two of Wands. You might be fighting it. What is it? King of Swords. Ten of Cups. Six of Pentacles. Okay. The next 15 days, Gemini, I pretty much see you guys fighting, accepting. Don't know what to do, but still want it. you want this. I mean, whatever this is, you want this, but there are certain things that you don't want with it. Like, say, maybe, so say you want a chocolate cake, but you don't want uh, to take the effort to make it. Just saying, all right? I mean, an example. So, I see that a certain part of this relationship is still not clear to you, but a part of it is. So you want to dwell in the part which is clear to you, okay? And move in that direction because it makes you feel happy, okay? I'm seeing that a part of it that you feel happy about is emotional contentment. So that is something that you're going to be very stable about. Like, you're not going to fight or resist or do anything about it. But the parts which you're scared about, like the death, I have the 9 of Swords. So the things that scares you about this connection, those things are pretty intact. It's still intact is what I'm seeing. Okay, you're going to be in that energy and you'll keep resisting it is what I'm seeing, but you'll not let this thing or whatever this situation is go away from your life. You won't, because you can't, because you are pretty attached somewhere, I can see. Okay, let's see what else do we pick up from other cards. I have the Hanged Man again. So I don't see you in a phase of decision making. Okay, you just want to be there. I have the 6 of Wands and I have the Queen of Wands. Okay. As I said, a part of it is very sure to you. I have the 10 of Cups again and I have the 3 of Pentacles here, followed by the Knight of Pentacles. So a part of it that is clear to you, okay, that part you are going to hold on to very tightly. You wouldn't want to let it go, okay? But I think there is still some confusion in your mind. That confusion you're going to hold on to. I don't think you will let that confusion go, because why? I have to see that. Why is this confusion so much? What is this confusion around? Because I haven't been able to pick up. What is this confusion about? 7 of Swords, 3 of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. Okay, so maybe your person is someone who can be a little rough and harsh and rude with you, and that is what kind of scares you number of times. So you just want to, like, you want to give yourself, but you don't want to give yourself fully. That's what I'm seeing. Like, I mean, maybe you don't want to make yourself absolutely vulnerable here, although you're very attached. I'm seeing that you want to have a part which is reserved, and so that it's just a way you're protecting yourself. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, now let's see what is the advice to you from the Enchanted Map Oracle cards. Movement and the Golden Palace. Okay, so you have to take that step. In case if you want this Golden Palace, you have to move. So what you're doing right now, you're playing it safe from a particular zone, okay, which is fine, which is okay. But you want a certain sort of a happiness, which I can see from here, from this movement. I mean, from your general reading, I can see that there is a certain kind of happiness that you want or you're desiring. So for that, you have to let yourself move in a particular direction, so that you can get here to this Golden Palace. So it's a risk, and you're just not willing to take it, which I get it. But yeah, if you do, you will reach the Golden Palace. It is going to be good for you, but totally up to you. I mean, I am seeing that these 15 days you will be contemplating whether to do this or not. Okay? Alright, Gemini, so that's what I have for you. Let me know in the comments if this resonated. You can follow me on Instagram. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. The details are there in the description box. I shall see you soon again. Bye.